Hi friends, today I am going to discuss the concept about legal aid. Legal aid means legal help for poor and vulnerable population. So let's understand what were the challenges for providing justice for unreached person, poor people, for vulnerable population, for a person who are residing in rural areas, they can easily access the justice. This was a big question of our society. Many of these people they are illiterate, uneducated, they are not aware of their rights. They feel only rich people get the right. They are not entitled because they are uneducated, illiterate, unaware of their rights. They cannot afford the cost of litigation as well as in case of paying lawyer fees, traveling to court very often, for the same time delay and delivering the justice for a month and a year along with the stress of litigation. They scared about the justice system. So considering the various scenario, the preamble of the Constitution of India guarantees many of these rights by way of equality, as well as the Article 14 of the Constitution guarantee the equality before the law and equal protection of the law, means everyone protected by way of law. As well as Article 38 in Clause 1, the state shall promote the welfare of the people by securing and protecting the social order, including justice. As well as Article 39 in Clause A of the Constitution state that the state shall in particular providing free legal aid and justice is not denied to anyone. So let's understand what is the concept of free legal aid. Free legal aid means the legal advice, counseling, legal consultation, and also how to fight the case. So advocate will spend time explaining the procedure. Lawyer fee paid by legal service authorities. Court fee, proceeding fees, various expenses or witnesses provide by legal service authorities, as well as the advocate help the preparations of pleading, memo of appeal, paper books, including printing and translation of documents in legal proceeding, as well as drafting of legal documents, special leave, petition, etc. So all of the services provided by legal service authorities. With this background, the Legal Service Authorities Act was implemented for this vulnerable population. The legislation was implemented with the primary goal to take justice to the poor and vulnerable population, even to the rural population, so that the access to justice is for everyone. With this, National Legal Service Authority was implemented on 1995. So, let's understand who are eligible for free legal aid. Section 12 of the Legal Service Authorities Act explains who is entitled for legal aid. On that basis, the National Legal Service Authority provide free service on the national level, the legal service authorities on the state level, district legal service authority on district level, and taluka legal service authority on the taluka level. These services provided by freely to the vulnerable and poor people. Legal aid is not provided in case of defamation or malicious prosecution, or a person charged with contempt of court, perjury relating to any elections, and offences where the fine imposed is not more than ₹50. So that the legal service is not provided on such types of cases. So how to apply for legal service? So free legal aid services given by way of offline or online. That means any applications in writing on a simple piece of paper by way of offline process, as well as on online process the various format is available on by way of online. So no expenses like court fee, process fee, drafting fee, typing fee, clerkage, as well as fees of panel lawyer, they are completely free. That is means not any charges provided to such types of people. So on this way the legal aid provided on the basis of welfare of the justice. Thank you.